Caramels! From the individual candies to caramel apples to caramel syrup, we love this fantastic confection. In this course, you'll learn how caramel is made, including those you purchase at the grocery store and what you might make at home. You'll be introduced to the food science behind each ingredient, including cream, salt, sugar, mono and diglycerides, lecithin, and corn syrup. Your learning continues by exploration of some of the important processes, including Maillard browning, which is how caramels get their tan color. You'll learn how Maillard browning also is integral in producing the characteristic caramel flavor we love so much. The difference between most caramels and the process of caramelization will be explained, and you'll even get to make some caramel candy. Get ready for some fun and a tasty piece of sweet edible knowledge. Let's get started.